Hola amigos y amigas, welcome to my fake closet. I am Leila, also known as Ms. Bohemia. I was planning to start this video off with my morning hair, so you would still see some curls. It would just be very disheveled and you could see the color of my hair. I jump in the shower, I start my shower protocol, I did my pre-poo, my shampoo, my bond builder, my protein treatment, conditioned. And normally after that is when I do my purple mask, and then I remembered, oh my god, I wanted to film the video. I was prepping to film the video, but I totally forgot to do the before shots. So after conditioning my hair, I came out, got my face on, let my hair air dry, spit it up with a little diffusing, didn't take too long. This is what I ended up with, and now I'm ready to delve in. Today, for the very first time ever on my channel, I'm reviewing Not Your Mother's, and specifically the Blonde Moment Purple Toning Hair Mask. I've been using the Amika purple mask and I love that mask. I have a full review on that here. Why am I trying other masks? Well, I try different things for this channel, but I genuinely want to find something else to replace the Amika because the Amika is expensive. A whole tub of it is about $42. Whereas this, I don't know, how much was it? $7.99, $8.99? Huge difference. Full disclosure, I have tried Not Your Mother's products before, and I did try the purple shampoo and conditioner. They did nothing for me. I've seen mixed reviews about this online. The instructions say to leave this in 5 to 10 minutes. Amika said 3 to 5 minutes on theirs. Theirs is really pigmented. Oh my god, I'm wearing the wrong color clothes for this video. Whatever. Forging ahead. When I first tried the Amika brand, I left it in for I think 20 minutes because my hair was really yellow. Let's start by getting a full view of the hair so we can do a compare contrast after this whole experiment is over. My hope is that this is going to work well. I'm going to leave it in a long time, 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. It might leave my hair purple. We'll deal with it then. But first things first, let's get this hair wet. And now let's capture the look of the hair and the color when it's wet. And let's jump in. It has one of these twisty seal things. This is ecological packaging. Everyone praises it, blah, blah, blah. Great. As long as it's easy for me to use. So let's break this seal. Oh my god, why am I having trouble? Okay. I've been struggling with this, but it's really not that hard to open. See how you close it? Oh, close it back up. Interesting mechanism. It's nice because you can squeeze it, but I do admit that one thing I do like about the tub with Amika is that I could use every single last drop. I mean, you technically can with this too. You can cut it open and scrape every little last drop out. Very pigmented. I wonder. I do compare products to each other. The Amika mask felt a little more purple and deeper in the pigmentation, so I can see why that might be faster acting in that sense. Some of the reviews I read is that they followed instructions, left it in 10 minutes, and it didn't really do much for them. So I'm going to do at least 20 minutes. Because this is super messy, I'm going to go ahead and apply it, and I'll be back. Before I really jump into it, let's just give you a quick view so that you can see the coloring. I've put it up so that I don't really get purple all over myself. Let me get my plastic cap on before I proceed. You don't need a plastic cap, but I prefer to put it on just to keep things neat and tidy, and this way my purple hair is not going to fall all over my cream top. I have mixed feelings about the product so far. It doesn't have the best slip, so I found myself having to use globs of it because when you're applying it, it's not as simple as, oh, putting it on and you're done. You have to get in the layers so that you don't miss a big chunk of blonde that's going to stay yellow, and then you have all this platinum blonde around it, so you want it to be even. And in order to do that and have an easy time applying it into the hair and into the layers, I mean, unless you want to section it, I really don't have that much hair to section, especially now at this length. So I want a product that's easy to just apply and flip my hair, and it's not too hard to get it in there if it has good enough slip. This was a little bulky feeling because I don't like the packaging. I know it's very hip to say that we love this kind of packaging. I found myself wrestling and grappling with the packaging, squeezing things out, and keep in mind at this point I have purple all over both hands because I'm applying it onto my hair. So every time I have to come back for more, my purple hands are touching the packaging and it's slippery and it's hard to control, and I'm getting more and applying more, and so my hands are purple still. And then the application itself, because it lacked the slip that I like to have, especially in these types of products, was hard and not very pleasurable. I got it all in there, but I feel that I used more than I really needed to because of the issue that I was having with a lack of slip. And then this packaging, it's not a plus. It doesn't impress me. It's hard to manage, and I feel like I'm resting some. I hate this packaging. I would prefer something solid with a pump or a tub. I would much rather prefer a tub, especially when dealing with a purple hair mask. I'm gonna leave this on for 20 minutes, maybe even 30. I don't know. Wash it off and I'll be right back. This was an absolute waste of my time. I left it in for 20 minutes, and most of the reviews, mind you, there were some that were negative about this product, but most of them were positive. Most of the reviews I see about Not Your Mother's, for the most part, are positive. I haven't had any good experiences so far with the little bit I've tried of this brand. I did have hopes because, again, the reviews were good. It did nothing. My hair is still yellow. Nothing. I'll be back when my hair is dry, just to give you the dry comparison, though it's not going to be the best given that my hair was initially brushed out, but not impressed. I linked to my Mika video before in the cards, and it's also going to be down in the description box. Check that out and you'll see what I mean and what a difference I experienced there versus here. So let me go ahead and dry my hair and let's compare. Don't judge the look because I'm not having the best hair day, but we're not here for the state of my curls. We're here for the colors. So again, not much has changed. Hopefully my hair styled versus not styled, you can still see the fact that the color is exactly the same. I don't know, but this is what my hair looks like, and this is what it looked like before starting this experiment, so not much has changed. But for the sake of comparison and following through with this video, let me turn around and let's compare. Not Your Mother's Blonde Moment Purple Toning Hair Mask is a no. From the packaging to the product to everything, and honestly to the brand itself. I have not had one positive experience with this brand. That's that. That's all I have to say, I think. I mean, how many times can I say no? Do I want it? No. Did I like it? No. Do I recommend it? No. Do you want it? You shouldn't. I really don't get people who have good experiences with this brand. I really don't. Are you one of those people? Why do you like this brand? Enlighten me, but it does nothing for my hair. I don't know, maybe it's not for super high porosity hair. Who knows? But that's it for today. Hopefully, upcoming videos will highlight better experiences. We shall see. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And stay tuned for more. Ciao for now.